Greeting, respected tutor. The name of chains of fast food restaurants, what do I talk, is Sandwich Cubano. It serves plate with submarine sandwich and Cuban sandwich, salads and drinks. I think a specialty of the house is the Italian sandwich because that is I like a lot. It's made of roast beef and leg, salami, parmesan and mozzarella cheese, Roman lettuce and Italian sauce. I frequented the one that is located in the mall Centro Mayor, but they had more than 150 establishments around from Colombia. I went last weekend. There they sell the authentic sandwich, Cuban and priced right. In my opinion, this restaurant is an excellent place to share with the family, good selection and good price. The attention is pleasant and the place is comfortable. The people who attend orders are very kind. The only I would recommend is that they be faster achievement. It's a shame there is not in near where I live, but if you know and in near, give the art try, they are worried. No more. Thank you for your attention. Bye bye.